Welcome Windows 11 or 10 users. Are you connected to Wi-Fi but facing the no internet access error on your device? Don't worry, in this video I'll guide you through your easy and advanced methods to fix the issue. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset the network. Search for CMD, right-click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Type nesh space winstock space reset and press enter. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Type exit and press enter. Restart your computer. If the first method doesn't work, try the second one. Method 2. Change the DNS settings. Right-click on the Wi-Fi icon, select Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Select More Network Adapter Options. Right-click on your connected network. Select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version for TCP and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Set the first DNS as 8.8.8.8. Set the second DNS as 8.8.4.4. Click on OK. Quickly after that, update Network Adapter. Search for Device Manager. Please open it. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click on the wireless adapter. Select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for Update Driver software. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the driver. I hope one of these methods will help you fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issues. Thanks for watching. Please ask me in the comment section if you still have anything to ask. Thanks for watching.